Hey there, everyone. Thanks for joining me today in what promises to be a thrilling dive into the world of artificial intelligence and all things tech. I know you're excited because we're about to talk about some of the latest news in AI. And let me tell you, it's fascinating stuff. First up, let's talk about a major collaboration that's been making waves in the tech world. Intel and TSMC, that's Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company for those who might not know, are reportedly joining forces to launch a joint chip-making venture. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, why does this matter to me? Let me break it down. Chips are at the heart of all technology. From your smartphone to the latest gaming consoles, everything runs on semiconductors. This partnership is significant because it combines Intel's deep experience in chip design with TSMC's cutting-edge manufacturing capabilities. Can you imagine what breakthroughs this could lead to? More powerful devices, possibly lower costs, and innovations we haven't even thought of yet. It's a big deal. Now, I'm curious. Who out there has been keeping an eye on the semiconductor market? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you hit that button. You don't want to miss out on all the juicy details we're uncovering. Moving on, the coding world is buzzing about Devin, the viral coding AI agent. This wonder of technology has just launched a new pay-as-you-go plan. Think about it. Devin can assist you with coding tasks or even help you troubleshoot problems as you work. It's like having a personal coding assistant on call whenever you need it. With the new model, you only pay for what you use, making it more accessible for developers of all skill levels. How cool is that? Imagine not having to commit to a full subscription just to get help when you need it. This flexibility could be a game changer in boosting productivity and sparking innovation in programming communities everywhere. If you've ever wished for a coding buddy, now's your chance to try Devin out and see how it can enhance your work. By the way, I want to hear your coding stories. Have you used AI tools like Devin before? Share your experiences in the comments. Whether they're hilarious, frustrating, or downright enlightening, I want to celebrate them with you. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Microsoft. Yes, that's right. This tech giant is also making moves in the AI sphere. While specifics are still coming in, reports indicate that Microsoft is working on more advanced AI integrations across its platforms. So, what does this mean for you? Now, if you happen to use Microsoft products like Office 365 or Azure, you might be in for some exciting upgrades. We could soon see smarter, more intuitive features that adapt to how you work, making your tasks easier and more automated than ever before. Picture an Outlook that can draft responses for you or Word that offers writing suggestions based on your unique style. Exciting, right? In a landscape where efficient work tools can set you apart from the crowd, keeping an eye on developments like these is crucial. Remember, you don't want to fall behind the curve. So, as we continue to explore this thrilling world of AI, I can't stress enough how valuable staying updated can be. We're here to help you navigate this fast-paced landscape. If you enjoy our insights, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more discussions just like this. To wrap it up, today's AI landscape is full of groundbreaking collaborations and innovative products that can change the way we interact with technology every day. From joint ventures between titans in chipmaking to revolutionary coding assistants, the AI universe is expanding rapidly, and you won't want to miss out on these exciting updates. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Make sure to leave some comments below about what you find most exciting in the world of AI. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.